So what we got going on here?
I have my gift from you for our Valentine's Day gift, which is this beautiful Alessi Moka Pot. So I'm gonna open it up. Let's see. Very nice, very heavy. Get this one, please. Beautiful.
Let's see the side.
So nice.
What do you like about it?
I love these like, I love these like waves. It's really heavy too. Not in a bad way, but it's like sturdy. It's bigger because I used to have a smaller one and it didn't even fit on the stove rings, but we bought one, a little barrier thing so it can fit, but this one is bigger. It holds more coffee obviously too. So I can make bigger batches. As you can see, the portafilter is a lot bigger. The water chamber is a lot bigger. But overall, it's just really beautiful. You bought me two and I picked this one, it was more expensive.
Naturally.
It's nicer. I like the red on it too. The other one was a little bit normal looking. It just had like black handles.
It had a nice wave to it though.
Yeah, it was really nice. I almost went with that one, but I don't know. I was attracted to the red on this one and I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. So I love it. And we're gonna try it out today. There's a little, I don't know what they're trying to say, but stop? I don't know.
It gets hot.
Yeah.
Cool.
So I'm gonna try to make a Cubano today, which I've never made that well before, but I'm gonna try to make a good one today. Hopefully this will help me out. Okay, let's get this ready.
What we got?
So I'm opening it up. I actually need to boil some water because you should start with hot water for this. So here's my little kettle. I'm gonna get it to like 200. Not quite boiling, but hot enough to steam. You wanna come see this? This part's pretty cool. Turn it on, and I can set it. Set it to 200 and wait for that to get to temperature. So then I'm gonna fill my portafilter up with coffee. So
Why'd you choose to do Bustelo?
I like Bustelo because it's traditionally what people use for Cubanos, and it comes pre-ground if you want. And I can show you, like, you want the coffee to not be as a little bit finer than espresso, like sandy, people like to say. So it comes like that, so it makes it just a little bit easier.
Cool. This is fun.
Yeah. So let me just take this off, make it easier.
Also, it's good for practice, right?
What's that?
Like using Bustelo.
Yeah, as you know, like I usually use like coffee beans that you guys see at like the bags and stuff, and like these can go anywhere from like $18 to $25, and like you don't want to waste them and keep grinding them and get the wrong ground like kind of fineness. So I just go for this because it comes ground the way that you should have it. So I use this for espresso though. So our water should be done soon.
Water's boiling.
148, not quite. But yeah, I'll just kind of just fill this to the top. I was taught to not tamp this like how you do an espresso. So you kind of just fill it. So our water's at 200 now, so I'm gonna fill my mocha pot.
Hey, first use.
Yeah, first time use. I'm gonna fill it just to where the little circle thing is. I forget there's a valve or something like that. I'm gonna fill it up to that. So. Cool. On this side. Looks really hot.
It's hot.
Yeah. Alright, so we're just gonna take our coffee again, not tamped, but evened out. And then just put it on there. Where's the top? Oh. And we're gonna put the top back on. I think it's so nice. I love it.
Glad you like it.
Thank you. Okay. So we're gonna keep it open so we can see, and we're gonna pull the first little parts of coffee out when it comes to the top, and then we're gonna try to make our Cubano. I think I'm just gonna make it straight out this cup because I need to like soften the sugar, if you will. So I don't think there's any real measurements. I think you just do like 3 or 4 big scoops of sugar. It's a lot, but that's what you want.
Cool.
Okay, and then we're gonna start the fire at medium high, I believe. You wanna see the fire? Cool, and we're just gonna wait for that to brew a little bit. And we're gonna take the first drips of coffee and then put it in our cup.
Cool.
So yeah, this is the strongest part of the coffee. So I'm gonna take these first few drips, just put a little bit in our cup.
Tight.
And then I'm gonna put this back on. That's like a perfect amount. I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit. And then while that keeps brewing, I'm gonna mix this.
Okay.
This is what it should look like this pasty. Maybe I can make 2.
Sure.
Yes, you want this like tan-ish color. I'm like aerating it right now too to make it a little fluffy.
Cool.
See? That's what you want. That's what makes it really creamy and sweet. And then from there, you just add the rest of your coffee.
Nice.
Very strong, but very delicious. And then, as you mix it, the foam kind of comes up to the top. Oh, this smells so good.
Let's see it.
Our little tray. And this is really good. It has the foam on top. I'm still mixing the sugar, so the sugar still and the froth is still rising to the top. But it's pretty much done.
Tight.
That's a Cubano. Let's try it. It's really sweet, but it's really good. I think it's great. It's good.